Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. On today's tutorial we're going to be beading this very beautiful daisy anklet. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly tap that subscribe button, hit the like button, and don't forget to comment. So the materials required are the beading thread and the size 11 beads. As you can see, I've already done the stopper. This is on our previous video. You can see how you can do this on our previous video. Kindly check it out on where we do the daisy flower. On this version we are going to be doing daisy flowers that are more compact, and we start by picking around 10 blue seed beads and followed by one gold bead and then another 5 blue seed beads like that, and then you pass them through the thread like that. You should have something like this, and then we proceed. We are going to start making the first daisy flower. We pick 4 green beads and 1 golden bead. The golden bead is going to be the centerpiece of our flower. Then we pull down all the beads like this, and then you take the needle and pass it through the first green bead like that. You pass it through the one green bead like this, and then you pull it, and then you should have the first half of the daisy flower. And then now you follow that using 3 green beads, and then now you pull them down, those 3 green beads, and then you pass it through the last green bead on the other half of the daisy like that. If that was something that you didn't understand, don't worry, we're going to repeat this severally over the course of this video, so kindly stay tuned and you're going to learn this by the end of this video, I promise. So the next color daisy flower is going to be blue, so we follow with the 4 blue beads like that and 1 golden bead, and then again we just return the needle through the first blue bead like that, and then you pull it, and then you have your first half of the daisy flower. And then you take another 3 blue beads, and then you close through, you pass the needle through the last blue bead like this. I hope you can see this clearly. You pass it through there, and then you pull it, and you'll have another full daisy flower like this. You can check us out on our social media handles at Style Cuts and Landscaping on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I really thank you guys for all the feedback that you've been giving me. The process that we are continuing with is just the same. You start with 4 beads. You add the final golden bead at the center. That will be the centerpiece. And then we pass the needle through the first red bead. And then now what we are doing is we are adding 3 beads, and then we pass it through the last red bead like that to make a complete daisy flower, as you can see there. So this is a process that we keep on repeating again and again until we get to the desired length of our bracelet or anklet or anything that we will be creating. It could even be a ring or even a necklace or even a choker. Depends with how creative you want to get. Remember, this pattern is something that you can come up with your own different colors, your preferred colors. You can use the colors of your choice to do this, and I'm quite sure you can get the same results. You can get an even better looking product at the end of this. So you can also share with me on through our social media handle, that's at Style Cuts and Landscaping. I would really love to see your end product, since it really encourages more students and more people to try out when I share. And I'm really thankful also for the comments and suggestions that have been coming from you guys. They really help me grow this channel, and also the support that you've been giving to this channel. I'm really grateful. And as you can see on our anklet, we are making good progress. I really love this color combination. It's coming out quite pretty well. And one thing that I'd challenge you is to really try out making this, because it really looks beautiful in person. This camera doesn't do this anklet justice. I really wish you could try this out by yourselves and see it on your own, so that you can tell me, because it really looks amazing in person. So after repeating the color combination, you're going to get to somewhere like this. Remember, you don't necessarily have to have the exact color combination as I have here. You can use your own preferred colors, and I'm quite sure you're going to get the best results at the end of your build. Also, feel free to give us suggestions on what you'd love to see next. That really helps. And you can also check our community tab here on this channel, where we usually post our upcoming projects, and also results from other students who have been inspired to make products from our video tutorials. You can see the results there on our community tab. So once you're subscribed, kindly take your time to go through our channel and go to the community post. You can see most of other products and other things that we've been doing in the past. And also on our playlist, we have over 150 videos currently on various products that we've been doing. So if it's your first time here to come across this channel, you can also check out our playlist, so that you can see a variety of other different products. One of the reasons why I do these beading tutorials is to help popularize this form of art and get it known to more and more people out there, so that you can see how much work goes into making a simple bracelet or a complex bracelet or anything that is beaded, and also to make sure that this knowledge doesn't get lost in the coming generations. It will really make me happy to know that someone watching these videos was able to tap into their creative side and start art, not necessarily beadwork, but just by watching these videos. I hope you get inspired into tapping into your creative side. And I really hope that by seeing these tutorials, you get to appreciate more handmade products, and you can also help spread out this conversation to more people by sharing these videos to more people. As you can see right now, I'm almost winding up. I am winding the end loop, where we are going to be closing the anklet through. Remember, we started with the first node, this one, the black one, and then this loop I'm trying to fit in here to see whether the loop is going to fit. So it's a perfect fit. The loop should be just tight enough so that once you pass the open side, the black side, it's going to fit and be tight so that the anklet isn't loose and doesn't fall off when you're walking or going about your day. As you can see, I'm making a knot to close the loop using the thread, and basically that's where we're going to fit it through, and it's going to look like this, and it's tight enough, so this is secure enough for our bracelet or anklet. And as you can see, it's a beautiful piece. I really love this flower combination. The colors are amazing, and I really hope that you can be able to make this by yourselves, because if you see it in person, it's great. So it's time to try it out. As you can see, it's a perfect fit. It fits just exactly as how we had wanted it to fit, and this is because you're supposed to either approximate or take the exact size of your bracelet or anklet before you start. You need to know the approximate size. You can do that by using a tape measure. You wrap it around the leg that you're going to be using, and as you can see, it's a very beautiful piece. I really am looking forward to your feedback. I'd love to see what you guys create using these tutorials. Kindly let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this anklet and what color combination you would have used, what you would have used yours for. I'm quite sure you would have used it differently. There are some people who are more comfortable using this as a bracelet, as a neck chain. So kindly let us know in the comment section down below what you would have used yours for, and I'm really grateful for sticking with us till the end, and I hope to see you on our next video.